Hello everyone and welcome to today's Motivational Eats. My name is Julie Sereno. Today we are going to make cashew butter rice cakes. So first of all, we are going to grab one rice cake. You can get sea salt or caramel or just the plain ones, but I like the chocolate flavored ones. After that, we're gonna go ahead and get a spoonful of cashew butter. Of course, if you don't have cashew butter, you can always use almond butter or melt some peanut butter. And we're gonna go ahead and put that cashew butter spread throughout the rice cake. Once you have that on, slice up bananas. Those sliced bananas are then going to be placed on top of the rice cake. After you put some slices of banana, you are then going to a pinch of chia seeds. If you don't want chia seeds, that's totally fine. You don't have to put it. If you have flax seeds, that's also fine. Once you top it with chia seeds, go ahead and put your preferred nuts. But hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to us via email at UREC@UTRGV.edu. Thank you so much for joining us this Motivational Eats, and have yourself a great day.